Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark. Thanks for joining me tonight and thanks for being part of this channel. Welcome to this Kikuyu channel. This is where we learn Kikuyu. This is where we get to know our culture. This is where we get to know our language. Basically Kikuyu. Anyone who is interested to know Kikuyu culture, to know Kikuyu language, this is the best place to be. You are so much welcome. You are so much welcome to subscribe to this channel and give me a like, comment, and let's get to enlighten each other about this culture, about Kikuyu, and yeah, that's it. Well, I have a new video today. We're going to learn about some of the things that I have or we have in our closet right at home, and we're going to learn how we call these things in Kikuyu. So yeah, I have a pair of stuff with me here, and we're going to go through that. We're going to go one item after the other, and we're going to get to know how we call these things in Kikuyu. I hope you enjoy that. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, the first item that I have here with me is as follows. It is this kind of item, which everybody has right at home or in their homes or in their closet. We are basically doing stuff that we have or we own in our closet. As you can see, this is a jacket. This is a jacket. How do we call a jacket in Kikuyu? A jacket is called kigoti or igoti. Igoti is one. Kigoti, one. When there are many, magoti. Magoti. I want a jacket. Direda igoti. I want a jacket. Direda kigoti. You can say igoti or kigoti. All are accepted. All is in Kikuyu. That's a jacket, igoti. Now, the next item that I have here with me is as follows. Now, I have this kind of item. So, how do we call this item in Kikuyu? How do we call this kind of item in Kikuyu? Now, this is a coat. How do we call a coat in Kikuyu? How do we call a coat in Kikuyu? It's called gafuti. Gafuti or ifuti. Ifuti or gafuti. Direda gafuti. Or you can tell someone, give me my coat. Negera gafuti gakwa. Give me my coat. Negera, give me my coat. Gafuti gakwa, my possession. Negera gafuti gakwa. Or negera ifuti reakwa. Remember, when we talk about gafuti or ifuti, it could mean something else. But for now, we are talking about a coat which is to wear. Okay? That's gafuti or ifuti. Now, the next item that I have here with me is this kind of an item. As you can see, this is a dress. It is a dress that's this short. It's not really long, it's just a short kind of a dress. So, how do we call a dress in Kikuyu? First of all, it's called guo. Now, I'm basically speaking about a short dress, which is not so much accepted in our Kikuyu culture. Normally, women wear long dresses that goes below their knees. So, how do I call a short dress? Guo, guhe, guo, guhe. The dress is short, so I say guhe, guo, guhe. Direda guo, guhe. Or I can say I want to put on my short dress. Gwekera guo, guhe. Gwekera guo, guhe. It is short. Gwekera, to dress or to put on. Guo, guhe. Gwekera guo, guhe. Gwekera, I'll put on a short dress. Guo, guhe. Now, the next item I have to show you guys is this item here. Now, as you can see, this is still a dress, but as you can compare this to the other one, this seems to be a very, very long dress. You see, I can't even fit to show you the whole dress because it is extremely, or it's very, very long. So, how do we call a dress that is this long? A long dress. Guo daya. Guo daya. Guo daya. Daya is the long. Guo daya or guo daihu. Guo daihu. Direda guo daihu. Direda guo daihu. Or we can say I want to put on, or I'll put on a long dress. Gwekera, gwekera, to put on. Guo daya or daihu. Gwekera guo daya. Gwekera guo daihu. Daihu. Guo daihu. Now, the next item I have is this one. This is a short. This is a short. As you can see, guys, this is basically a women's short. So, how do we call a short in Kikuyu? Normally, in the Kikuyu culture or in the Kikuyu tradition, women do not put on such kind of dresses. But, well, I'm not a very conservative person, so I do put on such kind of dresses. But I will not go to the street with this kind of dressing. It is not allowed in the Kikuyu culture. Why? Because it shows your body, and that's a taboo. It's not allowed and it's wrong. Anyway, let's go back. How do we call this short in Kikuyu? Or a short. Basically, the word for a short is kenyada. 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 It could be a man's short. It could be a boy's short. It could be a girl's short. It's all kenyada. Kenyada. Now, the next thing we have is this here. This here is a trousers. A pair of trousers. A pair of trousers. Or a pair of pants. For those who use the British English. It is a pair of pants. Or jeans. Basically, it's just jeans. So, how do we call this pair of jeans or this pair of pants in Kikuyu? How do we call this in Kikuyu? Mofuto. 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 That's the word we use. That is the word we use for this pair of pants or jeans. This is mofuto. 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 Gwekera mofuto. I'll wear a pair of jeans. I'll wear a pair of pants. I'll wear a pair of trousers. Gwekera mofuto. Gwekera mofuto. Now, the next item we have is this one, guys. This is a shirt. As you can have a look at it, this is basically a shirt, a simple shirt. So, how do we call this in Kikuyu? How do we call a shirt in Kikuyu? Shati. Shati. It could be a man's shirt, a woman's shirt. It could be kids' shirt. It doesn't matter. A shirt is called shati. Shati. Now, the next item I have for you guys is this one. This here. As you can see, this is a sweater or a cardigan. So, how do we call a sweater in Kikuyu? How do we call a sweater in Kikuyu or a cardigan in Kikuyu? Furana. 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 Gwekera furana. I'll wear a sweater. Gwekera furana. Furana. Gwekera furana. Now, the next item I have for you guys is this here. As you can have a look or just look at this here. These are canvas shoes. So, how do we call canvas shoes in Kikuyu? These are basically canvas shoes or rubbers, whatever name you use for that. So, how do we call canvas or rubber shoes in Kikuyu? They are called rafa. Rafa. Gwekera rafa. I'll put on rubbers or I'll put on canvas shoes. Rafa. Rafa. Canvas shoes or rubbers. Basically, when we are talking about shoes, we say irato. Irato. Irato is meaning shoes. It can be canvas shoes, it can be house shoes, flip-flops, boots, whatever it is, irato. But we are now specific with this one and we call them rafa. Now, the next item we have for you guys is this here. These are ladies' boots. These are ladies' boots. So, how do we call boots or basically ladies' boots? Okay, how do we call boots in Kikuyu? Booty. Booty. Gwekera booty. Gwekera booty. I'll put on the boots. Or gwekera booty shiakwa. I'll put on my boots, which is meaning shiakwa my boots. Booty shiakwa my boots. Now, you can say, I will put on the black boots. I don't have black boots now, but I'm speaking about an example. Gwekera buti jiro. Gwekera buti jiro. Jiro is black boots. Now, we are going ahead, and the next item I have for you guys is basically normal shoes that we use on our day-to-day basis. So how do we call shoes? Like, what's the name of shoes in Kikuyu? Shoes, we already said, is irato. Irato. That's how we call shoes. This is a general term for any shoes, any kind of shoe you have in your closet, or any kind of shoe you wear, be it flip-flops, be it these trainers, be it rubbers, boots, whatever. Irato. Now, this brings me to the end of this channel. Thanks guys for being part of the channel today. Thank you so much, and I hope you are able to learn something with me today. And if not, I hope next time you're still gonna learn. And yeah, keep subscribing to this channel. Don't forget, it's down there on the right or on the left side. There is a red subscribe, big bold letter written subscribe. Click there, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to give me a like where I deserve. Don't also forget to comment. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you again, and until we meet next time, goodbye, good night.